take our common places. So how can I say that my heart goes away? I have so much to hide. Hey guys, it's me. The biggest disappointment you know.
Walk.
The kid who happy, she's happy, she's walking real slow.
Ready to swap over. Then you're facing again. 2, 3. Just 2 girls in the middle.